Welcome back. We are now going to show the Administrator portal and the management and monitoring capability of LiCO. As you have seen in the previous video, the landing page gives you a full overview of the resources and activities in the system. So in this first landing page, I can monitor the amount of CPU resources utilised in the cluster, the amount of GPUs included in my system, and how many are in use. And the same applies for memory, storage, and network utilisation. Plus, I have an overview of the number of nodes I have in my cluster, its node status, and the job status, as well as some messages regarding the activity, and some of the activities happening in my system. On the left bar, you will see several tabs. Each tab includes a submenu with several functionalities, including user group creation, billing groups creation, and discount creation. There are sets of tools for monitoring, such as this view for having information regarding the nodes in your system, and plotting regarding the workload and the utilization of your system. Also, you have information on the GPUs installed in the nodes and their physical information regarding the temperature status, alerts, and the node's health status. Here you can also see information such as the IP address. You can also see a physical view, which makes it easier to navigate through the system when you have more complex infrastructures, allowing you to physically see your node in the rack. You can navigate through them, and you can see information such as the status of your system and the utilization of the node. There is a group view, GPU view, and job view, the latter showing a list of jobs running, waiting in the queue, and completed. You can also have a cluster view that allows you to simplify and filter out the resources you have in the system, giving you better access to the information. There is also a job report, expense report, cluster report, alert report, and utilization report of the system that you can export to gain better insight. In the Administrator tool, a key feature is the ability to manage container images. As we said in the previous video, LiCO is based completely on a container system. So in this case, I'm using LiCO HPC so I can import the Singularity image file or build them from this interface. You can pull image files onto container files from either a Docker registry, be it local or cloud, Singularity library, a system image which is already installed, or a private image. You can also define queues within the LiCO interface. You can define alert policy. You can get a notification rule. And you can define notification methods such as email, SMS, and WeChat, and you can also upload the scripts that will be triggered once an alert policy is reached.